Hello Dnation and welcome back to the Harley-Davidson special unbox and review series. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing the Harley-Davidson 1947 Servi-Car Customs, which is a 1/18 scale manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through the entire process of unboxing this unique diecast motorcycle. And so for a change, I went ahead and pulled up one of my exclusive 1/18 scale Harley-Davidson licensed diecast motorcycles, and this one in fact is one of my favorites of its kind. So let's go ahead and take a look at this all-time classic replica. Now as we know what this amazing licensed model looks like, and with that out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into this well-detailed 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica. To begin with, this model is a licensed product of Harley-Davidson, and this motorcycle is an all-time classic, one of a kind, which looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it and has quite a bit of details. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. And this model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 3.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 209 grams. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, and a lot more additions, which makes this an amazing collectible. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. Well, let's check out the wheel spin and functionality on this classic beauty on the Dnation dyno. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. And everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast model. And so with that being said, let's place this motorcycle on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty on wheels in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this one-of-a-kind classic beauty, here are a few fun facts. The Harley-Davidson Servi-Car was a 3-wheel utility motorcycle manufactured by Harley-Davidson from 1932 to 1973. The Servi-Car was designed during the Great Depression when Harley-Davidson was desperate to expand its product base to increase sales. Targeted at the automotive service industry, the vehicle was designed to be towed behind a car to be delivered to a customer. When the car was delivered at its destination, the driver would unhitch the Servi-Car and ride back to the garage. For this reason, it was available with a tow bar at the front and a large 60-amp battery. In addition to its intended use for car delivery and retrieval, the Servi-Car was also popular as a utility vehicle for small businesses and mobile vendors. These Servi-Cars proved to be particularly popular with the police departments, some of which still use Servi-Cars into the 1990s. And for more information on the Harley-Davidson Servi-Car, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also do let me know in the comments below as to what's your favorite features about this particular diecast motorcycle. And stay tuned for an all-exclusive and one-of-a-kind unbox and review episode coming up this Saturday. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, kindly do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.